Hello everybody, this is YouTube is the video dude 79 here. And I got very great news. Yep. On my other video, when it's at the part where I was turning on the voice on my weather video, well, let me tell you something. That's the thing to get the voice on the radio, on the weather radio. Yep, it's pretty cool. So eerie. Whenever the voice, probably on the next weather alert, I'll probably do that video for the first time for you guys. So everybody, hope you guys like this, and hope you guys liked my last video too. So guys, hope you like this, and the weather video Canada and HBC Cranford and all you other EAS fans. Hope you guys like this, and bye.